Running a hosting business with WHMCS? Tracking user activity can be challenging, with client-side scripts slowing things down and causing data inconsistencies. But what if you could track key customer interactions seamlessly and server-side? Introducing the Cloudflare Zaraz WHMCS module, a powerful integration that enables accurate server-side tracking, improves analytics, and ensures compliance, all within WHMCS. With server-side tracking, you get precise and real-time analytics, free from browser limitations and ad blockers. No coding required. Our intuitive one-click setup inside WHMCS makes integrating Cloudflare Zaraz effortless. Stay compliant with data privacy regulations using Zaraz' built-in consent management system, ensuring secure first-party data collection and tracking. Understand your customers better with detailed event tracking. Like, what are the user actions happening on your website? Product list viewed. See what services or hosting plans customers browse. Product viewed. Track interest in individual products. Product added. Monitor when users add a service to their cart. Checkout started. Gain insights on customers who begin checkout but don't complete purchases. Order completed. Track every successful sale and optimize conversion strategies. Upgrade your WHMCS tracking with the Cloudflare Zaraz WHMCS module. Accurate data, real-time insights, and full compliance. Get started today at easycommerce.com.bd.